channel. Today's video is my cleaning routine products. So I'm going to show you all the products that I use for a cleaning routine. Basically, it's just a day-to-day routine cleaning that I like to use. So I'm just going to show you what I use. And so if you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Don't forget to hit the bell next to it so you are notified every time I upload. And let's get on to showing you my cleaning routine products. First things first, before we get into showing you the products that I use on my day-to-day cleaning routine, if you hear any noises in the background, please excuse the noises. I'm literally right next to my boiler. My boiler does click in and out sometimes. We just let it just go in and out whenever it wants. So if you hear any noises in the background, I do apologise. All these products that I'm about to show you is what I use on a day-to-day routine. I like to keep these products kind of separate from all the other cleaning products that I have. I do have like kitchen cleaning stuff, I have bathroom cleaning stuff, so I like to keep all them separate. But these are just my main daily cleaning routine products that I love to use all the time. So to keep my house, well, our house looking nice and clean and tidy, obviously it's Mr. Sheen. I use this with the duster. This is actually the multi-surface polish Spring Fresh. I have actually seen a different one that I've got my eyes on, so hopefully I'll be able to have that. But I use a polish on a day-to-day basis. This is just a £1 one. Anyone can get any polish. You're probably thinking, polish is polish, it's boring. I go through everything on this. I do our tables, I do the radiator covers, I do the TV unit, the window sills, the dining table, anything you can polish, I will polish it. So I will do that first. And then once I've done the polishing, I go over with the Dettol. So this Dettol, if no one's ever heard of it, this is the Dettol all-in-one disinfectant spray, hard and soft surfaces, orchid blossom. It smells incredible. I love it, and I use this for absolutely everything. So once I've polished, I use this and I go over the tables again, the TV unit, the radiator cover, the window sill. I use this for everything. I use this for mirrors. I use this for my Hollywood mirror, our bedroom mirror, our units for the bedroom. I spray this on our bed as well, like on the bed sheets. I spray this on our curtains. I spray this on our sofa, on my office chair, which is my beauty room chair, but it's now I'm using it for my office chair. I spray that. I use it on my dining table, the table runner, the flowers, absolutely everything. So I go over with the Dettol as well, and I actually use, if any of you have heard of Mrs. Hinch, then she would use Minky green cloth, her glass and window green cloth. She calls it a Kermit. So I use that with this. Next product I use is this. Now I absolutely love this. I want to try and get the different kind of smells for this. This is the Febreze Fabric Refreshener, the Lenore Collection Spring Awakening scent. Now I spray this like it's going out of fashion. I use this on our sofa, on our curtains, on our rug, over the bed, over my chairs, over all the rugs, any kind of fabric and furniture kind of thing. I use it on. It tells you on the back here, it goes for beds, sofas, curtains. You can use it on your clothes, bed, dog beds, the blankets, everything. It's absolutely incredible, and I love the smell of Spring Awakening as well. I have seen loads of other different kind of scents of these. I want to try and grab my hands on, but with COVID and lockdown, I can't go anywhere. So this will have to do. I've seen loads of online as well, but where you've got Christmas, I want to try and get all the Christmas stuff first before I get more cleaning products. When I do get more cleaning products, I will do a massive cleaning haul, because there is going to be so many cleaning products I'll have to show you. So next thing, for the living room or anywhere else that has tough stuff and stains, if you spill something on the carpets or spill something on your sofa and you're like, oh my god, how am I going to get it out? I don't know what products to get it out with. This Dr. Beckham has become my new best friend, especially with our brand new carpet. I'm literally scared of dropping anything on our brand new carpet, but now I have this. This gets at anything. I use this all the time. This is the carpet stain remover for home, car and upholstery. So I use this all over our sofa every day, just to make sure there's no stubborn stains, nothing on there. Say like if we have a couple of chocolate bars each or whatever, and there's a bit of chocolate stains or something on there, then I will get it off with this Dr. Beckham. It is absolutely wonderful. It's brilliant. It might make the sofa wet, so once you use it, do not sit on the sofa because it'll give you a wet bum. But this is a perfect thing. Includes dried stains, neutralises unpleasant odours, and gentle on colours and fibres. So this has become my new best friend since we've got a new sofa and our new carpet, especially on our new rug as well, and I absolutely love this. Talking about carpets, now I have the 1001 spray. Now I absolutely love this. This is the Fresh and Linen White Flowers scent. It smells incredible. There is loads of other scents about this, plus there's new ones apparently. I've not even heard of them, but if I do grab my hands on one, I will show you guys anyway. But I have been using 1001 spray all over my carpets and they smell incredible. Also, I do use the, oh, now I've got to try and think of it. I think it's the Fabulosa spray for the carpets as well. I've literally completely run out of that, so I can't show you, but I use that for the carpets as well. You get different scents on them. The wild rhubarb, like that is incredible. Like the wild rhubarb is absolutely insane and it smells absolutely incredible. The gold one as well, that smells really, really nice. Also for the carpets as well, and I only do this once a month because I'm not getting on my hands and knees scrubbing the carpet every single week. But it's this. Now this is the 1001 shampoo for carpets. You can, if you have the carpet machine, you can actually pour this in the machine, and it does it pretty well. So it says vacuum carpet before use, mix 1 part shampoo to 6 parts water, apply a clean cloth and then vacuum treated area when dry. So I do this once a month and it keeps the carpet looking nice and clean and fresh, and it has the scent of the 1001 spray in here as well, so it makes it nice and smell. Again, I only do this once a month. It needs to be done this month, so I will end up doing this sometime either this week or during the week or whenever. It's got to be done by this month though, so I only do this once a month. When it's like Christmas time, I think I'll do this before Christmas Day so the carpet's nice and fresh and it's not horrible or anything. I know this has got nothing to do with the day-to-day cleaning, but I've recently started using the pink stuff. We have a stubborn pan and nothing, and I mean nothing could get rid of it. It was so stubborn, there was just nothing could lift it off until I used this. Now I'm literally obsessed with this. I'm probably late to the game, but I'm literally obsessed with the Star Drops of Pink Stuff paste, the Miracle Cleaning Paste. What will you use it for? People use it for ovens, cookers, the lot. I use it for my pan. I actually got this for my birthday as the cleaning hamper, Mrs. Hinch cleaning hamper I got for my birthday. If you guys haven't seen that, then I will leave it in the eye above here, what I got for my birthday, because this actually came in the little Mrs. Hinch basket, but I'm literally obsessed, and I can tell you now, I've been using it so much, literally gone right to the bottom, and I only got that on my birthday. Like, oh my god. So I need to invest into some more of this because I need to do our ovens as well, and I don't think that last little bit will reach our oven. But yeah, this is absolutely amazing. I know it's got nothing to do with the cleaning products I use on a day-to-day basis, but I just thought I would let you guys know about this. If you've never even heard, if you've heard of it but not even used of it, then I highly recommend it because it is absolutely incredible. It gets rid of stuff, I can't speak now, tough stains really easily, and it's good for your cookers as well. And last but not least, for the cleaning product sprays that I love to use is Sephora. So this is a festive one since we're near Christmas. This is just a festive one that I've been using so far, but we can use so many Sephoras. I actually put them in my spray bottle, so I put a couple of cups full in my spray bottle, I dilute it with water, and I spray literally everything. I go over the sofa, the rugs, the cushions, the curtains, the rugs, the chairs, the bed linen, the fake flowers that we have as well. I sprayed that and it smells incredible. This one is the Sephora Sparkling Spurs. You can get so many different Sephoras. You can get summer ones, winter ones, fresh linen ones. You can get so many Sephoras. There's just so many. If you type in Amazon or eBay, they've got so many in there. Tesco's do them, Savers do them, I think Superdrug, no, I don't think Superdrug do. Savers do, Tesco's, Morrison's, Iceland's, any superstore you can think of, they will do them. But these are absolutely perfect. You can dilute them. I do it on a doormat as well. I even put on my spray bottle, I sprayed the cloth and I go over the light switches. I do all them. I spray all the surfaces with them. I spray the cupboards for the kitchen cupboards. I spray absolutely everything. I go mad with Sephora. You can do it on your radiators. I do it on my radiator covers. I do it on my windowsills. I literally go everywhere with the Sephora, and it makes your house smell absolutely incredible, and it is so lovely. So yeah, those are the products that I love to use on a day-to-day basis for cleaning. I would do this kind of video, seeing as you like the laundry routine product, the laundry routine product video, the before one that I'd done, because so many people have viewed that video and liked it, and I thought, you know what, I will do a cleaning one, so show you guys of what cleaning products I actually use as well. Like I said, these are just the day-to-day products that I use on a day-to-day basis. I do have a kitchen one and I do have a bathroom one. I like to keep all my products separately so I know what's for what I'm using, so I don't go mixing things and looking through the cupboards or the baskets thinking, oh my god, where is this, where is that. They have their own baskets, they have their own labels on things, so I know what one's washing, what one's day to day, what one's kitchen, like all the kitchen products, what one's for the bathroom. I have so many of them. So seeing as you guys like the laundry products routine, then I thought I would show you the cleaning products routine. So I showed you just a few things of what I like to use. You can use these tips, you can make your own ones if you want to, it's totally up to you. I got my tips and tricks from Mrs. Hinch. For those of you who don't know who she is, I think most of you really do, but Mrs. Hinch is a clean inspired person. She's literally hit the Instagram so well. She's done really well for herself. I love her so much. I have her books. I have literally watched her stories and think, do you know what, I want to give that a go. I bought the product, it works, and I'm in love. So thank you so much to Mrs. Hinch. If you ever see this video, but you probably won't, but thank you so much. For you guys, if you want to take anything away from this, then please use anything you like. I highly recommend anything. If you guys have any comments about anything, please let me know as well. I will always answer your comments. My throat went then. I will always answer your comments. Any kind of filming you want me to do as well. If you want me to do a kitchen product one, a bathroom one, then please let me know. I will be happy to do so. If there's any other videos apart from cleaning that you would want to see as well, just let me know. Let me know. Let a girl know. I would absolutely do anything. If there's a challenge you want me to do, if there's baking you want me to do, I don't know. If there's anything you want me to do, then let me know and I will sort it out for you guys. But in the meantime, this has been my cleaning routine products. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell as well next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.